My dear Biafrans. So the thing where they happen for Nigeria, so many people don't know say jihadists, they be killers, murderers, rapists. People they feel say that one a religion. No be religion, no cult. It's a cult organization. They be animals. Animals will never be human being. They still they walk out with their leg and their hand for ground. They never be human being. They know they hear anything. The only thing they hear na killing. To kill the children of light. All this one when Nigerians they run up and down, and politicians, all of them they run up and down like see they don't know waiting day. They don't know waiting day. They pretend like say they don't know waiting day. But they kill the whole Nigerians they finish first before they go carry body. No understand waiting they come. Nigeria dey for war. People still they believe say police go protect them, soldiers go protect them, navy go. All na lie. Una get government of jihadists, government we believe in backwardness, government we believe in primitivity, government we believe in darkness. Now everybody see they believe say hope go come out from inside Buhari government. Which hope? Which good thing where they come out inside dirty? Inside backward government. I be everybody eye for that Nigeria blind. I beg if their eye blind, my Biafran brothers and sisters, make una open una eye, una open una spirit. You people should be spiritually awake. Make una dey spiritually awake. No say the thing where they ground so not be small thing. Now war they come so. These people they be mad people. They have become problem upon the face of the earth. Now them be the people we God talk for Bible we say the thief cometh not but to steal and destroy. That is who they are. So everybody must be watch night and watch day for his spirit. Everybody must be awake. These people are evil. They are demons. They trouble the whole world. Not purely Nigeria. Then they for Europe. Then they America. Then they everywhere. And only when your government is strong. If the government is strong, the government will stand against them, will defeat them. But when for that Nigeria where we did, when our own government don't come become a member of the same courtesan, how we want to defeat the fight? How we want to defeat them? In they use soldiers, in they use police, in they use army, in they use this, in they all of them not be the same thing. Now when problem happen, finish police go wrong, go there. Problem happen, finish happen. All of them are the same. May they not deceive now. Make una not feel say one army they protect una, one police, one day nothing they protect you people. You people should protect yourself. You people are at war. Nigeria is at war with demonic cults called Islamic jihadists. Abi una know they hear how they kill people, not only for Nigeria. They kill everywhere. They kill, they cut leg, cut hand, blind eye, do all kind of manner things. Even for Europe, they beat the Oyibo women, they rape them. Their government, they fight them. They not be human being to live with. They are cursed generation. They are from the spirit, from the realm of the dark. They don't know what be light. As you see that they don't know difference between good and evil. That blood where they shed, where they kill, where they slaughter, so that be their happiness. They don't know say that thing where they do now because they don't reduce themselves to animal. They are not humans. Forget say they were human being body. They don't be human being. They be animal. They be reduced to animal level. So that their cow where they carry up and down one and they buy the shop. I take go beg on my Biafran people. More not shop that cows again. Those cows now they might be poisonous. They might be dangerous if you eat them. Now sickness, correct illness. Because all the people where they kill, they don't turn all of them to meat spiritually. Make una they chop on our own dead. Make una not shop meat again. You not shop meat, you no go die. Fish dey there. Pork dey there. Our local goat dey there. Not be even their own goat. Our local goat dey there. Snake dey there. If una not fit do without meat. This is not spiritual time. This na awakening time. This na time for everybody's spirit to stand up. Some things that they say you get to forbid them so that your body go dey light spiritually for this whole problem. We will not fit carry the gun fight the fight. We dey for spirit, they fight the fight. Make everybody become the soldier of God in the spirit. We go defeat them spiritually, can't defeat them physically. I beg. Mona not show power meeting. Mona forbid them for this season, for this period, for this spiritual movement where they around us now for Biafra land. Una forbid that cow meat. Make una eye they see well. Make una heart the reason they feel well. Make una brain the reason well. Say we dey for war. Not allow any person tell you now these people, they are animals in human body. They don't know good and evil. So please don't allow any person. Just keep yourself calm while we are waiting for our referendum. You people should keep yourself calm because these people, they are deadly. They kill small children, kill baby, kill pregnant woman, kill man, kill woman, kill old person of 80, 90. What kind of human beings are these? Are these not demons? This na our fight, this na our war, this na the things we get to defeat. Go defeat them spiritually, go defeat them physically. So for that cow meat, I take go beg una not chop again. Una put full stop to her. Una not go die for una not chop her. This is a spiritual movement. Don't eat again. Thank you for listening. Bye.